And the old man held Mr. Dudley around the middle and walked off. Mr. Dudley stood and looked to the spot he had been hit by, whatever that was. He was wretched. He hurried to his car, set off home, hope his was imitating, which he had never hoped before, because he didn't have love or imagination. As she pulled into the driveway of number 4, the first thing he saw, and it didn't improve his mood, was the tabby cat. He had spotted that morning. It was now sitting in the garden well. He was sure it was the same on. It had the same marking around its eyes. "Shh," said Mr. Dudley loud. The cat didn't move. It just gave him a stern look. Was this normal cat being Herbener? Mr. Dudley wasn't trying to put himself together. He led him into the house. He was still directed not mention anything to his wife. Mrs. Dudley had a nice, normal day. She told him over dinner or about Mrs. Next Door problem with her daughter, and how Dudley had learned to new world. Mr. Dudley tried to act normally when Dudley had been put to bed. He entered the living room into the catch the latest report on evening news, and family board watched every day had reported that the nature hours have been behaving very usually today. There have been hundreds of singing of the birds flying every direction since sunrise.